Welcome to Quiz Nation. I'm Jenny. Let's play.
20 English Grammar Beginner Level Quiz. I am excited blank the weekend. About, during, under. About. I am excited about the weekend. We are going blank a movie tonight. On, to, by. To. We are going to a movie tonight. She is good blank playing the piano. With, at, for. At. She is good at playing the piano. The cat jumped blank the fence. Above, through, against. Through. The cat jumped through the fence. She is allergic blank cats. In, by, to. To. She is allergic to cats. They arrived blank the airport early. At, on, by. At. They arrived at the airport early. They went blank the park yesterday. At, in, to. To. They went to the park yesterday. Please pass the salt blank the table. At, over, under. Over. Please pass the salt over the table. The book is blank the table. On, with, under. On. The book is on the table. I can't believe you are blank the same shirt. With, in, on. In. I can't believe you are in the same shirt. The concert will start blank 7:30 p.m. In, on, at. At. The concert will start at 7:30 p.m. She apologized blank her mistake. At, for, with. For. She apologized for her mistake. We are going on a vacation blank the mountains. On, to, for. To. We are going on a vacation to the mountains. She usually finishes work blank 8 p.m. For, by, at. At. She usually finishes work at 8 p.m. She is afraid blank snakes. From, with, of. Of. She is afraid of snakes. They were laughing blank her jokes. With. On. At. At. They were laughing at her jokes. The keys are blank the counter. Above. On. Under. On. The keys are on the counter. The meeting is scheduled blank 3 p.m. On. At. In. At. The meeting is scheduled at 3 p.m. They are excited blank their vacation. For. To. With. For. They are excited for their vacation. I am tired blank studying all night. At. Of. In. Of. I am tired of studying all night.
Great job! Like, share, and subscribe.